Hi, Gareth here from Fort Monkeys, and we're on the brand new Discovery Princess. We're on the maiden voyage, and we're gonna take a look at our cabin. We're on Riviera deck, which is 14. Right here, R726. Port Monkeys are on board, that's right. So my medallion lets me in the door. And here it is. So light switches, they still have these card slots, but you don't need to put a card in there. So emergency actions. Mirror. They have mirrors. So typical princess layout for a balcony cabin. Got closet, the shelf. Got a cabinet with shelves and a safe. We didn't fill them all up even. Some other things I want to show you. At night, I think these rattle if the seas are a little choppy. I guess if you push them together they wouldn't rattle so much. You have a bathroom. It's pretty small. Got some lights and a mirror though. 3 shelves. They come with lotion and hand soap like that. At least our cabin does. Little toilet. Shower. Got a removable handle. I love those. It's got the 2 knobs. One is temperature, one is water pressure. It's got shampoo and conditioner and shower gel. So it also has one of these. Water just dripped on my back. Which is a clothesline, right? Clothesline. Now, got some hooks. Now I'm going to sit here on the toilet. And I'm done. And now, where's the toilet paper? Well, it's right there. Now you're going to have to bend over to see that. Well, I am anyway, because I can't see it from here. So, not sure why it's there. No other place. Trash can, extra toilet paper, some other stuff. So that's the bathroom. It's got a nice TV. 32-inch or something. Comes on almost instantly. Movies and TV. Let's look at movies. So you've got lots of movies. Lots of movies. The problem is they're all fairly old. There's nothing really new. There's stuff from last year. I don't think there's anything from 2022. Live TV, you have those. So there's plenty to watch. Just maybe not what you want to watch. The other thing is thermostat. Of course, there's no numbers. Somebody told me once that there are no heaters on ships. It just turns the air off if you go into the warm. That the cabins are warm enough as they are. I don't know if that's true. Nice bed. The pillows. You get one thick pillow and one thin pillow. This is like a feather pillow, and this is, I don't know, chopped foam in there. I find I need both of them, so I would prefer a pillow that was thicker. The bed is nice though. I like the bed. Of course, we might be the first people to ever sleep in it since this is the maiden voyage. Artwork. It's not very big, no couch, just a chair. I thought they were supposed to have another chair. Anyway, does have a USB port and a little light switch and switches. 2 drawers. Let's go over here. A lot of shelves. make sure you get a bottle of hand sanitizer from us. Refrigerator. And it seems fairly cold in there. Two drawers on this side. Another USB port. Remote. Light switch. Trash can. More drawers. That was where the hair dryer is. And some of Janet's stuff. Empty drawers, because we don't have that much stuff. Got a message. That was me calling here because I was locked out and she wasn't answering the door. I don't know if it was on purpose or not. Seems to have a light switch here. Oh, I guess that was already on. So you have it there. You have this kind of door. This locks it. This unlocks it. If they're closed and locked, and you open them, they are kind of hard to open. You know what I mean? Kind of hard to open. The balcony is wide. The Janet is beautiful.
Hi.
But it's narrow. I mean, maybe it's the standard. These are reclining chairs, but if I want to recline that, you know, I'm going to have to lay sideways, right? Anyway, got our drinks. We're getting ready to disembark, or, well, leave port. Of course, we're way out in the port of San Pedro. That's where you normally dock. That's the Norwegian Bliss down there. We're right at the breakwater already, almost. This is berth 50, if you're interested. I see some cruise ships off the port of Long Beach over there. A Princess ship and a Holland America ship. You probably can't see them in this picture, but I can see them. Of course, this is the port of San Pedro, the port for Los Angeles, and the port of Long Beach is just right there. They're next door to each other. And that's about it. Look how nice and new though it is. I mean, how long will that last? Look at that white glossy paint. I mean, there's not a touch of rust anywhere. See that? It's so pretty. Get on it while it's pretty. Not that it won't be pretty in 10 years. Plastic or metal, but not wood railings. Over the whole ship, there's not wood railings. On the stairways, there are wood railings, but on the outside of the ship, no wood. From the Majestic Princess, this is Gareth saying, Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye. You're welcome. Security! There we go. The medallion worked. Hi. Thank you, Corrine.
Oh, there you go. You're good at money.
Well, I read your button.
Have you said it right? Do you know your stadium number?
I think it's R726. What do you think?
I think that's the right number. So you're going to use these elevators up to deck 14, which is where the captain lives, and all the way back.
Stairs.
Or you can use the stairs or the elevator.
Port side.
Yes.
Grazie.
Welcome.
Grazie. So, ice cream place. Thank you. Let me go right over here real quick. Oh, it's just beautiful, isn't it? I have to one-hand clap them. These must be the dignitaries. This must be the salty dog. Salty dog!
Hello.
International Cafe.